Namaste and hello everyone. I am Barsha, your Nepali language tutor. In this video, we will learn some of the opposite words which are also describing words that are normally used in our daily life. So, let's begin to learn opposite words in Nepali starting from small and big. Sano, sano, ठुलो, ठुलो, sano, ठुलो, tall and short, अग्लो, अग्लो, होचो, होचो, अग्लो, होचो, long and short. For long and short, the short is different word. Lamo, lamo, छोटो, छोटो, लामो, छोटो. For fat and thin. मोटो, मोटो, दुब्लो, दुब्लो, मोटो, दुब्लो. Similarly, another word is old and young. बूढ़ो, बूढ़ो, जवान, जवान, बूढ़ो, जवान. But old and new, in this pair, the old is different word which are used for the things. That is पुरानो, पुरानो, नयाँ, नयाँ, पुरानो, नयाँ. Black and white. कालो, कालो, सेतो, सेतो, कालो, सेतो. For wide and narrow road. फराकिलो, फराकिलो, साखुरो, साखुरो, फराकिलो, साखुरो. For clean and dirty. Sofa, sofa, फोहर, फोहर, sofa, फोहर. Some people also say फोहर. Delicious and not delicious. Mito, mito, namito, namito, mito, namito. Today and tomorrow. This vocabulary we have also learned in our previous video. That is Aza, Aza, Holi, Holi, Aza, Holi. Day and night. Din, Din, Raat, Raat, Din, Raat. Happy and sad. Khushi, Khushi, Dukhi, Dukhi, Khushi, Dukhi. For up and down. Mathi, Mathi, Tala, Tala, Mathi, Tala. For uphill and downhill. Ukalo, Ukalo, Oralo, Oralo, Ukalo, Oralo. For hot and cold, it is different while using as a weather and while describing the things. For weather is Garmi, Garmi, Jado, Jado, Garmi, Jado. For things hot and cold is Tato, Tato, Chiso, Chiso, Tato, Chiso. In front and behind is Agadi, Agadi, Pachadi, Pachadi, Agadi, Pachadi. For inside and outside. Bhitra, Bhitra, Bahira, Bahira, Bhitra, Bahira. near and far, नजिक नजिक, टाढा टाढा, नजिक टाढा. For right and left is दायाँ दायाँ, बायाँ बायाँ, दायाँ बायाँ. For very soft and hard is नरम नरम, कडा कडा, नरम कडा. For love and hatred is माया गर्नु माया गर्नु, घृणा गर्नु घृणा गर्नु, माया गर्नु, घृणा गर्नु. These are also words which means to love or to hate. For here and there, यहाँ यहाँ, त्यहाँ त्यहाँ, यहाँ त्यहाँ. For weak and strong, also we have different words for describing people or describing things. For people is कमजोर कमजोर, बलियो बलियो, कमजोर बलियो. Similarly for the things is कच्चा कच्चा, बलियो बलियो is same as describing the people. Baliyo and baliyo is same for the people and the things, whereas weak and weak for the people and the things is different. That is, for people is kamzor, for things is kacha. Friend and enemies. Friend is sathi, sathi. Enemies is dusman, dusman, or satru, satru. Sathi, dusman, or satru. For boy and girl, keta, keta, keti, keti, keta, keti. Men and women, purus, purus, mahila, mahila, purus, mahila. Now and later, ahile, ahile, pachi, pachi, ahile, pachi. Sweet and hot or spicy, guliyo, guliyo, piro, piro. These are some of the Nepali opposite words which are frequently used in our daily life. If you want to learn any more opposite word, please leave a comment below. If you are new in this channel, please review all the videos we have uploaded before, which will help you in the next video and the next lesson. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. See you in the next video everyone. Namaste.